kuhaneka kuria kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na maria megwikinyitio ni anyitite mina makiria sekta-ini ya githomo. President William Ruto hamwe na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua ni amwe andu aria mahumbire igongona riri uko magithi na mbere na kuiranira ati thirikari ni igetete wega gutigirira ati ni ahura njeki sekta ya githomo na kuria mugite ati ni mareketie kwamura kigina gia ciringi bilioni 2 niguo guteithia mubango-ini uria uguteithiriria undu uyu. Governor wa kaunti no Susan Kihika ndanaga muhwo wake uhoro-ini wigie kana uhoro-ini wigie githomo na kuria ugite ati megutigirira ati undu uyu no wakurio niguo nginya andu aria maragithi na mbere na mathomo mao makorwo makigunika kumanagia na tabarira ta ici.
Nikumana igongona igemu thigire-ini wa iregia Nakuru umuthi cukuru cia ikiro itiganite ikionania taranda cia mbere ya munene wa Bururi gatagati ka atongoria angi aingi. Muikariri gite wa mashindano ma gibũrũri ma nyĩmbo Fred Gala niaugite ati mashindano maya ni manyitite itemi rinene hari kugacirithia mutaratara mweru wa githomo gia CBC kuna ni wa gutambura taranda o hamwe na gucikoria.
Your Excellency, this is CBC at its best, because CBC is about competency, and this is a perfect manifestation of how competencies learnt in class can be demonstrated before a mammoth crowd of this nature.
Mutongoria wa Bururi William Ruto naugire ati ni mekwongerera mbeca cia gukinyaniria mutaratara wa kuheana irio cia bure mathukuru-ini kuma bilioni 2 nginya bilioni 5.
Pia mwaka huu tunaongeza pesa kutoka karibu shilingi bilioni 2 mpaka bilioni 5 ya kusaidia katika school feeding program, ili watoto wetu hasa wanaoishi difficult circumstances katika taifa letu la Kenya waweze kwenda shuleni.
Niaugite ati aria makoretwo makiruta wira mwega ni megukorwo makihaicio ngathi ita njira ya kuhimbiria wira wao.
We can incentivize our teachers to bring out their best by making sure that teachers who do well, we also provide for their promotion. And this year we have provided for the promotion of 5,000 teachers directly, and 36,000 teachers indirectly will be promoted this year.
Governor wa kaunti ya Susan Kihika naugire ati ni mambiririe tabarira ya kwambiriria studio kaunti-ini yo niguo guteithiriria mbeu njigi gukuria taranda ciao thi wa tabarira ya Ajira Digital.
To promote music and arts in Nakuru County, Your Excellency, 2 weeks ago, I commissioned a youth empowerment center at the Bondandi Social Hall in Nakuru East constituency, which features a textile hub, a Jiri digital hub, and a state-of-the-art recording studio.
Minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba niaugite ati ni mekuniana milioni 267 gukuria sekta ya mathako ari hamwe na mashindano maya ma nyimbo.
That we are supporting this through the sports fund, and the CEO is here. I want to acknowledge Mr. Nuh Ibrahim, the CEO of the fund, and the PS responsible, Mr. Ismail Malim Made. We provided 267 million shillings to support the drama and film festival, the ball games, and this music festival, with this festival getting the lion's share of 143 million.
Gerivotera Mudingi TV yakwa ni Triza Wainaina.
Governor wa kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu